Topic is measurement, revision, page number 115 and 116. On page number 115 and 116, it is exercise 5A. In measurement, we have done the definition of metric system. And you all know metric system is the system that depends on multiple of 10. In metric system, we were revising the measurement of length. The measurement of length has 4 units that are millimeters, centimeters, meter and kilometer. When 10 millimeters combine, it make 1 centimeter. When 100 centimeter combines, it make 1 meter. And 1000 meters combine, it make 1 kilometer. So boys, when we have to convert the bigger unit into the smaller, we have to multiply. But when we have to convert the smaller into the bigger, we have to divide. Here I have written smaller to bigger. Okay. So for smaller to bigger, you can see I am moving toward centimeter. When I have to convert millimeter into centimeter, I have to divide it with 10. When I have to convert centimeter into meter, I have to divide the sum with 100. When I have to divide meter into kilometer, then I will divide with 1000. So let's start an activity to boost up. So this activity statement says convert the following as required. Okay, what is the required one? It is 2050 meters in kilometer. And you all know meter is the smaller unit, kilometer is the bigger. And here we have seen when we have to change meter into kilometer, we have to divide it with 1000. So let's do it. So boys, I have written solution but I will write 2050 meter. When I will convert it into kilometer, I will divide it with 1000. So you can see boys, I have written 2050 meter equals to 2050 divided by 1000. Now this meter is kilometer because we know that 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. And now you know there is 1 and 3 zeros after 1, 3 digits above. So you all know that when some numerator is divided with 10, 100, 1000, we can convert it into the decimals. So now converting it into the decimal, in place of 1, I will write point. After 1, there are 3 digits. So the numerator's 3 digits are 0, 5, 0. And before 1 is 1 digit, that is 2. So 2.050 kilometers. Okay, 2.050 kilometers. So 2050 meters are 2.050 kilometers. Now you can see boys, I have written another sum. In it I have written 178 centimeters. What we have to do, we have to convert this 178 centimeters into meters. And you know centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is the bigger. And in above we have written when we have to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide it with 100. So in the solution, what we will write? I will write boys 178 centimeters equals to 178 divided by 100. Okay. And now this centimeter will become meter. And I will write after some space that 100 centimeters combines to make or equals to 1 meter. Okay boys. Now what I have to do, I have to divide it, and you know when there is when in the denominator there is 10, 100, 1000, we can change the numerator into the decimal number. So this one will turn into the decimal point boys. After 1 there are 2 zeros, so 2 digits you can see here on the right hand side, 1 and 2, 7 and 8, and before this one there is 1. So 1.78 meters. 178 centimeter is 1.78 meters. In sum 3 or C part, it is 140 millimeters in centimeter. So millimeter is the smallest unit and we have to convert it into the centimeter. Here you can see when we have to convert the millimeter into centimeter, we have to divide the sum with 10. So what we have to do, we have to divide 140 by 10, and it is very easy. So we will write in the solution 140 millimeters. As we are converting it into centimeters, so I have written equals to 140 divided by 10. When I have written divided by 10, I cannot write millimeters, okay? Now I have to write centimeters, okay? Now I have to write centimeters, and I will write in the bracket that 10 millimeters equals to 1 centimeter, okay? On your scale, there are 10 lines in 1 centimeter, so those lines are millimeters. So now when I divide it with this, you can see 0 will get cancelled with it, and it will be 14 over 1, okay? And you know, when there is 1 in the denominator, the answer is only the numerator. So 14 centimeters is our answer. After doing the activity, boys, let's move toward our exercise 5A. We have revised our concept. Now you know how to convert the smaller unit into bigger.